Friends, so previous classes completed the determinant chapter. So now start next chapter, continuity and differentiability. Continuity and differentiability. Next chapter. Continuity and differentiability. Continuity and differentiability. So first write definition of continuity. Continuity. Write definition of continuity. So definition of continuity is a function f of x, right definition, a function f of x is said to be continuous at real number x is equal to a if limit x tend into a f of x is equal to f of a. Continuous, that is any function f of x is continuous at a real number x is equal to a when लिमिट वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू पॉइंट फंक्शन वैल्यू. आप लिमिट क्लास 11th में पढ़ चुके हैं. व्हेन द लिमिट एग्जिस्ट, दैट इज लिमिट एग्जिस्ट इज द नेसेसरी कंडीशन फॉर द कंटिन्यूटी. फर्स्ट लिमिट एग्जिस्ट एंड दैट लिमिट वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू पॉइंट फंक्शन वैल्यू. सो लिमिट वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू पॉइंट फंक्शन वैल्यू, that is limit of given function exists, and you know limit of given function exists when left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. So first find the limit value of given function, then find point function value, and if both are equal then function is called continuous. Or other definition, or if limit x tend into a minus f of x, that is left limit is equal to limit x tend into a plus f of x, this is called right limit, is equal to f of a, then f of x is called continuous at x is equal to a. सपोज करो कि फंक्शन का सिंगल वैल्यू गिवन है तो आप यह डिफिनेशन यूज कर दोगे, और यदि फंक्शन का मोर देन वन वैल्यू गिवन हो, when x less than a function value are different, when x greater than a function value different, then use this definition, that is in that case find left hand limit and right hand limit. So this is the definition of continuity. So first suppose you check that the function continuous or not, so find limit value is equal to point function value or not. So give example. Example number 1. Example number 1. Check the continuity of the function f of x given by 2x plus 3 at x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 given. There is only one function 2x plus 3 for all x is a real number. So use this definition that is find the limit value. So find limit value. Now find limit x. First क्या find करेंगे? Limit value. So find limit value. Here a is equal to what? A is equal to 1. So limit x tend into 1 f of x is equal to limit x tend into 1 f of x value given 2x plus 3. अब क्लास 11th में लिमिट चैप्टर पढ़ चुके हैं. Now put x is equal to 1. When put x is equal to 1, then limit value is 3. So this is the limit value. Now find the point function value and check that point function value is equal to limit value or not. So find point function value, that is find the value of f of 1, point function that is f of 1. So put x is equal to 1, that is 2 into 1 plus 3, that is 2 plus 3, here limit value is, when put x equal to 1, that is 2 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 5. Here also put equal to 5. So both are equal. Therefore limit x tend into 1 f of x is equal to f of 1. So f of x is continuous at x is equal to 1. So this function is called continuous. Similarly, example number 2. Now example number 3. Example number 3. Discuss the continuity of the function f given by f of x given. Here f of x is equal to mod of x at x is equal to 0. So here also function value, only one function value given, f of x equal to mod of x, but this modulus function, it is a turning point at x equal to 0. That is, this mod of x value has two value. The value of mod of x is equal to 2. This mod of x can written by definition of mod of x. Mod of x is equal to x if x greater equal to 0, and second value minus x if x less than 0. So given function f of x has two values, one when x greater equal to 0 then x, and when x less than 0 then minus x. So when function value has more than 1, then use second definition, that is find left hand limit, then find right hand limit, then find point function value. So find left hand limit, that is LHL. So LHL equal to लिमिट x टेंड इंटू, आप किस पॉइंट पे चेक करना है, एट x इज इक्वल टू 0. सो लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 माइनस f ऑफ x. हियर x टेंड इंटू 0 माइनस, आप यह LHL क्यों निकाल रहे हो समझ में आ रहा है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे फंक्शन का वैल्यू मोर देन 1 है. दैट इज़ आप कंटिन्यूटी किस पॉइंट पे चेक कर रहे हो, 0. देन यू चेक दैट when x greater than 0 and when x less than 0, then function value are different or same. When function value are same, then use first definition. If function value are different, then use second definition, that is find LHL and RHL. So your function value are different, so now find LHL and RHL. So LHL is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus f of x, put value. So limit x tends to 0 minus, what is the value of f of x, when x less than 0, and when x less than 0, then function value is minus x. Now put x is equal to 0, put limit value is 0, x tends to 0 minus, also put x is equal to 0. So when put x is equal to 0, then limit value is 0. Similarly find RHL. So RHL is limit x tend into 0 plus f of x, that is here x greater than 0. So find the RHL. This equal to limit x tends to 0 plus here x greater than 0, then what is the function value? X. So put value x. When x greater than 0, 0 plus means x greater than 0. When x greater than 0, then function value is x. So put value is x. Now put limit x is equal to 0, is equal to 0. So LHL is equal to RHL, both are equal. So limit exists. Now for continuity, find the point function value, that is f of 0. Since f of x is equal to given mod of x, so f of 0, that is mod of 0, and mod of 0 is equal to 0. So both are equal. So therefore limit x tend into 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is equal to f of 0. All are three equal. Therefore function is continuous. Right, therefore f of x is continuous. So this is continuous function. And example number 4th. Example number 4th is, so that the given function f given by f of x has two value given. First value is x cube plus 3 if x not is equal to 0. Second value is 1 if x is equal to 0, and so that is not continuous at x is equal to 0. देखो here function value also more than 1, but here not continuous at x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0, इसमें आप कौन सा डिफिनेशन यूज करोगे? फर्स्ट और सेकेंड. आप यहाँ पे सेकेंड भी यूज कर सकते हो और इसमें फर्स्ट भी यूज कर सकते हो. फर्स्ट क्यों यूज करेंगे? सेकेंड डिफिनेशन यूज कब करना है? जिस पॉइंट पे आप लिमिट निकाल रहे हो. किस पॉइंट पे लिमिट निकाल रहे हो? 0 पे. देन यू चेक when x less than 0 and when x greater than 0, then function value are different. Here only one function value, because x not is equal to 0, then function value is x cube plus 3. X not is equal to 0, that is the value of x either less than 0 or greater than 0. So less 0 or greater 0, both points the function value have same point, same value, x cube plus 3. So in that case डायरेक्ट फाइंड लिमिट वैल्यू. आप LHL RHL भी फाइंड कर सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे, लेकिन यहाँ पे आप डायरेक्ट लिमिट भी निकाल सकते हो. सो फाइंड लिमिट वैल्यू. लिमिट x टेंड इंटू 0 f ऑफ x. आप यहाँ से LHL निकालोगे, फंक्शन वैल्यू यही होगा. RHL भी निकालोगे, फंक्शन वैल्यू यही सेम रहेंगे, तो आप डायरेक्ट निकाल दो लिमिट वैल्यू. सो लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0, व्हाट इज फंक्शन वैल्यू? Function value is x cube plus 3. Put x is equal to 0. So function value is 3. Sorry, limit value is 3. But f of x is equal to 1 at x is equal to 0. That is, since f of 0 is equal to 1, f of x equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. That is, f of 0 is equal to 1. So limit value is 3 and point function value is 1. Both are not equal to. So since limit x tend into 0 f of x not is equal to f of 0, therefore f of x is not continuous at x is equal to 0, because limit value not is equal to point function value. So function is not continuous. and example number 5. Example number 5. Example number 5 is, check the point where the constant function f of x is equal to k is continuous. F of x is equal to k is continuous. Check the points where the constant function f of x is continuous. Function constant. For continuity, that is, find the limit value and point function value, but limit value not given. Limit value is not given. Limit value is not given. So take any real value. Question is, find the point where function is continuous at the not given, point not given. So you check that. So let C be any real number. Let C be any real number. Any real number suppose के लिए C. C is equal to 0 or greater than 0 or less than 0, any one value. So first find limit value. Here f of x is equal to k for all x. That is, every real value of x, f of x is equal to k. So now find limit value. So limit x tending to c f of x is equal to limit x tends to c, function value is given k. Now put x is equal to c, but function is constant, here no value of k, so this value is equal to k. So limit value is k and function value, that is, find f of c also k because function is constant. So therefore limit x tending to c f of x is equal to f of c. Therefore f of x is continuous at any real number, at any real number. So this function is also called everywhere continuous because at x equal to c function is continuous. Okay, so not continuous every point. Next definition, next slide definition. A function f of x is said to be continuous. Here point not mentioned. A function f of x is said to be only continuous, point not mentioned. A function f of x is said to be continuous if it is continuous at every point in the domain of f of x. पहले डिफिनेशन क्या बताए थे? फंक्शन कंटिन्यूअस एट ए पॉइंट. हियर पॉइंट नॉट मेंशन. You check that function continuous or not. So for that value, for that continuity, that is, you check that function is continuous at every point in the domain of given function or not. So if point is not mentioned, then it show that function is continuous at every point. Okay, so definition 2 is clear. Now example number 7. Example number 7 is Example number 7. Example 7th is the function f of x is equal to mod x a continuous function? Point not mentioned. F of x is equal to mod x is continuous function. Point is not mentioned. तो आप क्या सपोज करोगे? Point is not given. So you suppose let c be any real number. Let c be any real number. Let c be any real number. यहाँ पॉइंट मेंशन नहीं है, तो इस फंक्शन का डोमेन क्या हो गया? इस फंक्शन का डोमेन f ऑफ x इक्वल टू मॉड x, तीनों भर दिए ना. f ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू मॉड x. Mod x, what is the domain of this function? So domain of this function is every real number. So let c be any real number. And since this mod of x defined as x when x greater or equal to 0 minus x when x less than 0. So here this point 0 is called turning point. So you check that this function is continuous at turning point or not. First you check that function continuous at turning point. So here c be any real number. So case 1, if c is equal to 0, then 0 is a turning point. So for turning point and check the continuity, that is find LHL and RHL. तो क्या पे यहाँ more than one function value given है. So find LHL. So LHL is equal to limit x tend into 0 minus f of x. This equal to limit x tend into 0 minus what is f of x value? When x less than 0. When x less than 0, then function value is minus x. Now put x equal to 0 is equal to 0. Similarly find RHL. RHL limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. Put the value. What is f of x? X, and put limit value 0. So both are equal. Now find function value, that is f of 0. So mod of 0, that is 0. So all are equal. So since limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x equal to f of 0. Therefore, f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. Now, if case 2, if c not is equal to 0, c non-zero, that is either negative or positive, no problem. Now find direct limit value. So when c less than 0, suppose when c less than 0, different case क्या less than 0, okay. So case 2, suppose c less than 0, that is negative real value. When c is negative, then find domain, a limit value, x tends to c f of x is equal to x tends to c. Here c less than 0, that is c is a negative real value, and when negative real value, then function value is what? Minus x. So put function value is minus x. Now put x equal to c, so value is minus c. And point function value f of c is equal to mod of c, and c less than 0. So mod of c value is minus c because c is less than 0. So here both are equal. Therefore, limit x tend into c f of x is equal to f of c. So it is continuous when c less than 0. Similarly, you check that when c greater than 0. Similarly, you check case 3rd. If c greater than 0, then similarly limit x tend into c f of x is equal to f of c. So therefore, एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू मॉड ऑफ एक्स इज कंटिन्यूअस एट एवरी पॉइंट। ओके, आप नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एग्जाम्पल चेक करोगे। थैंक यू।